Lakshmindra Chari from District 320A from India, and with us co-host are Lion Piumi Pereira from Sri Lanka, District 306B2. With us, co-host Lion Nidhi Nagar from District 321B1 from India. We also have co-host Lion Mridula Jaiswal. She is from District 321B1 from India. Our co-host from Nepal, Lion Dr. Sum Agrawal, from District 325A1 from Nepal. We also have with us co-host Lion Vishnu Kuwar from District 325B2 from Nepal. And also we have our young dynamic Leo Arpita Moore from District 32A, India. We all, as well as myself, is also co-host Lion Rupesh Mehta from District 3231 A2 from Mumbai. So thank you for this opportunity. And now I call Lakshminder ji to take it over. Thank you, dear.
Thank you, Lion Rupesh ji. Very good morning. I am Lion Lakshmindra Chari Kondoju from Hyderabad, India. Namaste. I warmly welcome Lion dignitaries, event host, co-host, and young and enthusiastic participants from India, United Kingdom, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and few other countries around the globe. Let me tell you the purpose of this session. World is stuck with a pandemic and it has slowed down a lot. Everyone is hit, especially young people are also hit with lack of proper education and skilling because schools and colleges have been non-operational. Irrespective of the slowdown, we have to win. We have to make our way up. We have to move forward. We cannot sit quietly, but we have to fight our way and help ourselves and also inspire people around us. And so this event had been planned. Our event reached 6 lakh students in 6 countries and 4,000 people registered, and we could possibly have 1,000 plus people. Let's make best utilization of today's session from a Lion member, Dr. Vishwanath. He was a restaurant worker long back, and now he is an entrepreneur, coach, and author based in United Kingdom. He touched 12,000 minds in 7 countries. He carved out success out of challenging times. You will hear more from him within 5 minutes. Before that, now I request guest of honor today's event, Sri Indrakoshal Rajapaksha from Sri Lanka, to address the gathering for a couple of minutes. I request Lion Piumi from Sri Lanka to introduce him. Over to Lion Piumi.
Thank you, Lion Lakshmendra. Good morning, all. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Piumi. Yes, Piumi. Go on.
Lion Indrakoshal Rajapaksha joined the Lions Club of Virgaman North in 2007 as a charter member and served as a board member, membership chairperson.
Piumi, unmute yourself.
He has also been awarded for Best Public Awareness Environment Program conducted by a club by the Multiple District 306 and he is a certified guiding lion and a progressive Melvin Jones Fellow. He has successfully undergone training programs at the Advanced Lions Leadership Institute in Indo, India, and Regional Leadership Institute in Colombo. In addition to his lionistic activities, Lion Kaushal is active in numerous professional bodies. He is the current president of the Plastic and Rubber Institute, president of the Chartered Management Institute, UK Sri Lanka branch, vice president of the National Chamber of Exporters, vice president of the Confederation for Small and Medium Scale Industries, executive committee member of the Institute Environment Professionals and chairman of the Minuangada Industrial Association. He is also the vice president of the Sri Lanka Pakistan Business Council and executive member of the Sri Lanka China Business Council and Sri Lanka Singapore Business Council. Lion Kaushal is a fellow of the Plastics and Rubber Institute and an associate member of the Association of Business Executives UK, holding an MBA in Business Management from the Vinayakar Mission University of India. Lion Kaushal possesses a wealth of experience in private sector, working for the entire industry, footwear industry, and for government sector at the task force for rebuilding the national handling rehabilitation of livelihood of the people affected by tsunami in 2004. Since 2007, Lion Kaushal is into his own business of exporting industrial waste through his companies Kalhari Enterprises and Kalhari Enterprises Private Limited. He is also the group managing director of Sri Lanka Yachting Group, which manufactures and charters luxury yachts. Lion Kaushal hails from Kelaniya. He is a product of Adanda College, Colombo. He is married to Lion Lady Shirani, who was a senior bank manager. Lion Kaushal believes that lasting connection and personal sense of accomplishment achieved through service. Lions clubs can attract a new generation of energized members in his difficult and
Sorry to
uncertain
interrupt, Lion
time.
PUME, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sorry. Is Rajapaksa sir available?
Yes, sir is there.
Yes,
Sir is
yes.
there. Is there?
Yeah,
Yeah,
over
so
to
we will give it to him so that
Yeah.
he will continue his self-introduction. It will be better.
yes. Over to Governor-elect.
Aiboan, Namaste. Good morning to all of you. First of all, let me thank Lion PUME and the organizers of this great program, host District 320A, co-host Sri Lanka, Nepal, UK, and Bangladesh, and Dr. Vishwanath for conducting this very useful program, because this is the need of the hour. The whole world is undergoing either lockdown or restrictions for traveling, movement. So this is the time the students who have left school or studying, done their higher studies, looking forward as to what to do, and also to get away from stress. I thank again Dr. Vishwanath and the team and all the governors, past district governors, distinguished leaders for taking part in this program, and I'm confident all those who are taking part today will reap benefits of this great program. Thank you very much. Thank you. Ayubon.
Thank you very much, Lion Indra Kaushal Indrapaksha sir. Sorry for missing your name. And now I request our chief guest, Lion Manoj Kumar Purohit, to address the gathering for a few minutes. Lion Mrudila will introduce our chief guest.
Mudula ji, unmute yourself.
Please unmute me. Hello,
Ma'am, we are audible.
am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Lion Lakshmendra. And good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my friends and participants. Feeling very proud to take this privilege to introduce our chief guest of this event, District Governor PMJ Lion CA Manoj Kumar Purohit sir from District 320A before all of you. District Governor Lion Purohit sir is a rare diamond, polished for last 31 years in Lionism. His experience, knowledge and dedication to Lionism is unbelievable. His performance excellence brought him recognitions and appreciations from district, multiple and international, which include 6-time International President's Appreciation Certificate, International Leadership Medal, International President's Medal, Gold Medal. He has been the chief editor of Lions Update for 6 times and was declared best in entire South India. He had left his mark amongst the All India Vice Governors by winning awards at their schoolings. Lion Purohit sir is FDI graduate as well as LCIP trainer. He is a popular induction and installation officer, besides the sought after faculty trainer and master of ceremonies. Professionally, he is a successful practicing chartered accountant. He hails from the most prestigious Raj Purohit family. Now I wish to welcome a very humble and distinguished personality, PMJF Lion CM Manoj Kumar Purohit sir, to shower some blessings regarding this event. Lion Purohit sir, now this platform is yours and please unmute yourself. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mridulaji, for speaking such wonderful words about me. Ayubon, Namaskar, good morning to all the participants, all the leaders from 5 different continents of the world. Lion IK Rajapaksha, the district governor elect from Sri Lanka. Lion Dr. K. Vishwanath, our today's principal speaker. Lion Lakshmendrachari, the coordinator of the program, and other co-hosts and participants from all over the world, including USA, UK, Asia, and Australia. When we had this thought of organizing a seminar for young people, students, or persons who have just passed out and are facing lots of challenges during this particular period of COVID, we got united, and particularly Lion Lakshmendrachari played a very big role in coordinating with our other coordinators from different countries to put this program together. Right now, we can see 866 participants in this medium. And then it's also going live on other channels also. So we have got a huge participation. That itself speaks how interesting the topic is the reputation which Lions carry and the personal reputation of Lion Lakshmendra and the principal speaker, Lion Dr. K. Vishwanath. He's a professor. He has been in India and is a wonderful leader, exponent of soft skills, and a very great motivator. And last about 3-4 years, he has moved to UK and carrying on his mission from there. So it's indeed a pleasure to have all of us together. It's said that when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. And this is the time when we have to be mentally fit, mentally tough, emotionally intelligent, and willing to learn and change. Challenge to change has been my slogan. And this is a period when every one of us has been challenged to change our lifestyle, the way we are working, the way we are dealing with people, the way we are learning, and the way we are earning. So adaptability is the key to this particular situation, and we have to be open to opportunities. So to open all the doors and the locks which we have sealed in our minds, we have got a wonderful speaker, wonderful motivator like K. Vishwanath. So I don't want to be between you and him. I would request, I would wish all the participants a great career, a great beginning, and a great changeover. Thank you very much. God bless everyone.
Thanks a lot, my beloved Governor sir. Thank you very much for your nice introduction and nice inspiration for me to do this program. Thanks a lot. And
You are behind the
now I
program.
hand
It's all
over
your
this-
success.
Yeah, no, it's your blessings, sir. It's your blessings for me. Now,
Lakshmendra, unmute yourself.
sir, now I hand over the session to Lion Dr. Vishwanath.
I'm just trying to understand that issue that is playing actually in the background. See, Lakshmendra, Lion Lakshmendra,
Yes, sir.
actually in the background, some voice is coming up, and that's very distracting to me. Wait, please. Lakshmendra, actually, I'm actually hearing the complete recording from the starting. Actually, that's very distracting to me. I'm wondering what's going wrong. Hello.
Yes, sir. What happened, sir?
Yes, sir. I am here
Rupesh,
available.
Actually,
Yeah.
since the program started, you introduced, right? That
Yes,
voice
yes.
is getting played actually.
So might be on your screen, YouTube might be on. So just go to your other screen with the browser. YouTube you can close. So that may be the reason.
Wait.
On your screen browser, there might be one more window open where YouTube might be on.
Wait.
Yeah. People, we will be there within 2
Yeah.
minutes. It's yeah.
Cool.
That's
Yeah, Rupesh, thank you very much. You prompted it properly.
Yes,
Well,
sir.
good morning, everybody. It's 6:50 a.m. in London here, and I'm so glad and excited to be part of this wonderful morning, Sunday morning, with, Lion dignitaries from India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, and also so many young people, 870 plus young people from across 5 countries. I'm also glad to see so many of my Lion members from, the district, in which I was Lion, right? I'm seeing DG Purohit ji and then Mohan Das ji. Okay. And also in the, I'm also able to see, Lions from my club in UK as of now. I'm so happy, right? Anything which I do for India, right? And even the subcontinent, that really, really excites me. And I'm so glad being part of this, event. And I thank all the, organizing efforts behind this, and also the intent which was initiated by Lion Lakshmendra. Well, before going ahead, I want, all the participants in this meeting to give a thumbs up, right? Are you all ready? I want you all to type yes in the chat box, please. 870, 880 people should type yes in the chat box, so that I understand that you're all ready, because I cannot see all of you, right? I would like to see your yeses, so that I get encouraged, I get, excited, and to live, this presentation today. Great, right? And also, I would appreciate if you could also type in the chat box your city name, your city, and also the country you which belong to. Let's understand that, here in this meeting, that there are people from 5 different nations, right? Hyderabad, Nepal, Warangal, India. I've seen some people from Bangladesh, Chennai, Mancherial, West Bengal, Hyderabad, Pune, Peddapalli. From across India, we have people here, my dear friends, and also Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. Wonderful. Okay, so let me start. Do I stand the eligibility, right, to do this session, right? The topic we have chosen is how to get a job or earn within 30 to 60 days. That was the topic, isn't it? Now we have lots of videos available on YouTube with lots of pinpointed techniques and step-by-step approaches for us to get into job, for us to get into employment. Then why this session is being organized is a question. And also why Lion Vishwanath, right, is taking this session. Is he eligible? Is he having that, capability, and is he having that, those insights to really inspire people is the question, right? Let me share my screen, and that would justify my right to speak about this topic, my dear friends. Are you all ready to see my screen? Type yes in the chat box, please. Great. So I'm sharing my screen now. Lion Lakshmendra, are you able to see my screen now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
All the people in this particular meeting, this was me in 2001 in UK.
Sir,
After my post-graduation, I moved
Sorry.
to UK. Go ahead.
sorry to interrupt. Your Zoom screen is visible, sir. You want PPT?
Now is it fine?
Yeah, it's uploaded. Yeah, now perfect, sir.
Okay. People, this was me in 2001. I am actually presenting this slide to inform you my capability and my right to speak about this topic, right? Because, getting a job in the 30 to 60 days might seem foolish, might seem impractical, might seem silly, might seem, like, somebody thinking, in a fool's paradise. No, my dear friends, it's not that. This was me in 2001. And then I came to UK as a restaurant worker. I as a postgraduate to study, and with all my knowledge, with all my skills, with all my capabilities, with all my expertise, with all the background I have, I couldn't get a single professional job in this country. And after few months I finish all my money. I didn't have money. I come from middle class background in India. I didn't have money to eat, money to live, money to stay, and I had to beg for this job in a restaurant that is Burger King. It's similar to McDonald's. It's similar to McDonald's. You're seeing, right? Me making burgers and working with people. You're seeing people from China. You're seeing people from Africa. My dear people, the job involved, washing bowls. My first job was washing bowls. I was not even, given chance, an opportunity to make burgers because, with all my qualifications, I was only fit enough to wash bowls. And I was, in fact, trained for 1 day to actually clean the bowls, how to hold the bowl, how to actually take that, scrub, and how actually smoothly you have to clean the bowl. And then I have to clear the test for me to get on to the job of cleaning the bowls. I found all my life there were servants in my home who used to come and, wash bowls. Bloody hell, what I'm doing in UK? Did I come to UK to wash bowls? It was so annoying. And then, but I tuned to myself. I thought that day, yes, if I'm hitting this bottom, I would definitely hit the top someday. And with that aspiration, I continued. And there were days, there were times when I had tears in my eyes. And also, I did not even tell my parents and friends that what type of job I was doing. And for me to get to this level of making burgers, it took 4 months. I got a promotion and I was given opportunity to cut vegetables. And cutting vegetables also was not easy, my dear friends. I had to learn how to cut onions in proper slices. I had to learn to cut tomatoes in proper slices. I had to learn how to cut these cucumbers in appropriate slices. And that's how I learned how to cut vegetables. And then finally I moved on to become a burger maker. Now I'm moving to the next slide. This was in 2001 and this is in 2020. In 2020 I'm a PhD. I hold a doctorate in business management. I hold 3 master's degrees, one in business management, one in psychology, and one in IT. And I hold, few premium certifications like, in Agile. I'm business owner of 2 businesses. I'm author of 3 books which are available in Amazon. I'm international award winning coach. I represented India as a thought leader at World Governance Expedition in 2018. I worked for top-notch firms in the world, few of the best firms, including Fortune 1000 firms, few of Fortune 500 firms. I experienced the beautiful earth, the beautiful planet in 17 different countries by the virtue of working, by the virtue of visiting, by the virtue of studying, attending conferences. And also, I'm a proud lion, my dear friends. I'm very proud lion. And I probably have put up 6,000 plus hours of work, social work, in addition to my professional work. And I'm, a Melvin Jones Fellow. Till date, I touched 12,000 plus people, on the job of inspiring, and the job of informing, on the job of encouraging, on the job of skilling, in 6 different countries. And I'm aiming to touch 100,000 lives in 2021. Okay. I know it's a big number, but I aspire. So my dear young people, here if you see between 2001 and 2020, what all had happened? A lot happened in these 20 years. And that's why I take the right to tell you, yes, a lot of things are possible, but we, human beings, because of several reasons, because of several, assumptions which we have, because of several situations, because of many things which we are not aware of, we carry on, living, the life we lead, and then we miss exploring, we miss leveraging the virtues with which you are born, and we miss capitalizing and growing, and leveraging and getting it to the stage which you're all capable of. Okay. So having said this introduction, do you all now accept, right, acknowledge the fact that Vishwanath has right to talk this topic? Please type yes or no in the chat box. Do you stand right? Yes or no? Absolutely amazing. Fantastic. Okay, friends. Now, I'm stopping sharing the screen now for a while. Okay. Now, let's understand. Let's understand. I am not a typical guy. I am not a, guy who would walk on the street where everybody shows go. I'm a disruptor. I'm an experimenter, right? I have taken risks in my life. Frankly, I'm telling, I did not listen to my parents. Now I am listening at this age, right? When I was young, I did not listen to my parents. I did not listen to my teachers, because I always thought there is something beyond what people tell. There is something beyond what people show. There is something beyond what we can see with our naked eyes. There is something what we could hear beyond our ears, which we can hear. There is something beyond what we could think. So with that motive, as a middle class guy from a town in India, today I'm somebody, right? I mean, I don't claim, I don't say I have done something amazing, but for me, right, yes, the progression had been great. Now coming to the topic, how to get a job within 30 to 60 days. First question, what do you feel now? Just ask yourself, all of you ask yourself in this session, can I get a job in 30 to 60 days? Can I earn in 30 to 60 days? And type your answer. It could be yes or no. It could be yes or it could be no. Please type your answer, your fair answer in the chat box, please. If it is no, no problem. If it is yes, no problem. But it should not be doubtful. I can't think, I can't say, I don't think so, I am not sure. Some people are frankly typing no. People, the first thing which you have to remember, I appreciate all the answers, is, unless you believe you could get a job within 30 to 60 days, I will justify how you could get that. I will make you understand. Even if needed, I will give you handle support for you to transition that journey and getting a job within 30 to 60 days, and also making earning in 30 to 60 days. Now, please understand one thing, that when you say a job, you cannot be choosy. You cannot be choosy. Look, I want to become an Indian administrative service professional within 30 to 60 days. All we want is a job. After 21, you have to be earning. How many people are above 21 in this particular session? Please type I'm 21 plus, or I'm 21, whatever. Look, people, after 21, we all should be earning. If you are not earning, you should be learning. If you are not earning or learning, you should be on the job of helping. Okay. And at the end of the day, after learning or earning, after helping, you should be able to enjoy, right? Can you all type in the chat box? I'm typing it for you. Earn, learn, earn. I'm typing here for you. Earn, learn, help, enjoy. Can you all type this, please? Earn, learn, help, enjoy. Now, after 21, for 8 hours a day, you should be able to make a penny, make a pen, make a cent, make a rupee, whatever, make a dollar, make a euro. That should be the motto. Irrespective of whether you have wealth, irrespective of whether you have lots of wealth, you should be able to be on the job of earning money. And today I'll tell you how you could get into that mode within 30 to 60 days. Second thing is, if you are not learning, earning, then you should be in the job of learning. Okay. And I'm telling you, if you people, you could stop typing in the chat box for a while. Okay, let's I'm just holding the chat box for a while, right? Just listen now. With 25 years of experience, with all the qualifications which I have, with international exposure which I have, let me tell you a frank thing, how I could write 3 books, how I could work in Fortune 500,000 firms, how I could serve 5,000 plus hours of social work. All this happened because I have taken extra pain. Unless I have taken that extra pain, I wouldn't have done what I have done. With 25 years of experience, in last 4 years, I have spent nearly 18 lakhs rupees on myself. I've invested rupees 18 lakhs on myself to get better, because I understand life is one, tomorrow is uncertain, yesterday is dead. Okay, we have to make the most of life, most of our lives. So unless you get all the knowledge which you have, unless you power yourself with all the skills needed, you won't be able to progress. You won't be able to get into the mode which we all should be. Okay, and then here that's why I'm suggesting the word learn. Okay, third thing is, yes, you are not earning, you are not learning. Help, right? When you're free, go and help your mother, help your father, help your neighbor, help your brother, help your sister, help your friend, help anybody on the street, right? Be on the job of helping. I'll tell you how helping has helped me, transition, in my career, how helping has helped me, get a promotion. I'll tell you in a little while. And last thing is have fun, right? Work hard and play hard. Can you type in the chat box, work hard and play hard? I'm opening the chat box for you again. I have opened the chat box now. Yeah. Work hard, play hard. We all should have fun, right? I am a guy who will never leave an opportunity to have all the fun with family, with friends, with my colleagues, right? With lions, right? Absolutely, absolute pleasure, absolute fun I have. So, my dear friends, I'm summing up. Learn, earn, help, and then have fun. Remember this one. Remember these things, right? Either learn. If you're not learning, either earn. If you're not earning, learn. Then if you're not doing both of them, help. And then if not all those three, have all the fun. Now, coming back to what is that we could do, right, to get a job in 30 to 60 days, right? For a moment, let's park all our thoughts, right? We all actually get into the mode of, okay, this guy is trying to give me a magic. This guy is trying to tell us how to get a job within 30 to 60 days, right? It's not a magic wand, right? It's all action, right? It's all strategy. It's all few steps. So let's park all your thoughts. You might be intelligent, you might be brilliant, you might be great, you might be wealthy, you might be poor, you might be, whatever you are, right? Can you all park your mind, aside for a while? Can you type in the chat box, I am parking my mind aside for next 15 minutes. I am parking my mind. Can you type in the chat box? I am parking my mind aside. I am parking my mind aside. Because unless you park, my insights won't get into your head. Amazing. I'm parking my mind aside. Absolutely. See, my dear friends, if this bowl is full of water, nothing goes in. So unless I throw this won't become empty. Now all your minds are full, all your minds are with knowledge, all your minds are with assumptions, all your minds are with thoughts and impressions and feelings, right? Unless you keep them aside, new insights won't go. And that's why I am asking you to park your mind aside, right? Now, do you all accept the human being's central aspect is thought? Okay, now you could stop typing in the chat box, right? Let's get on to the topic again. Do you all accept the central aspect of human being is a thought? Okay, now you're because of your thought. Okay, you're because of your thought. I'm because of my thought. I just stopped this particular chat. Okay, guys, I slow down now. Thought is, central for a human being. Now, you could be male, you could be female, you could belong to any race, you could belong to any religion, you could belong to any country, right? You could belong to any gender. Thought is which drives all of us. Okay, now the thought, let me brush my teeth is a thought, let me get a job is a thought, let me earn money is a thought, let me become a prime minister of this country is a thought. Everything is a thought. Let me make fun of somebody, let me ditch somebody, let me have fun. Everything is a thought which plays in our mind in a very hard way. So the moment you are asleep, your thought is dead. The moment you wake, your thought comes up. So we all should understand, thoughts make us or thoughts break us. Thoughts make us or thoughts break us. Okay, now for you to get into the mode, for you to get into that frequency, for you to get into that aspect of that frame of mind where you would believe, yes, I would be able to get a job in 30 to 60 days, like Yes, I'm alive. I'm kicking. Yes, I'm having water. Yes, I would have some food. Yes, today I'm alive. You know, how sure you are about this second. In the same way, you should be able to feel, you will be able to feel, right? Yes, you know, in 30 to 60 days, I'm able to get a job. That is a thought. Okay. If the thought is weak, if the thought lacks, you know, power, right? The thoughts will fizzle out. The thoughts will fail. The thoughts won't take shape. The thoughts will not manifest. You understand? So each of us will get the thoughts. You know, the difference between those 1-2% who are very successful and, you know, 98-96% people who are mediocre is only one thing. We all have same physiology. We all have same neurons. We all have same information at the touch of a button. What information you have, I have, and any person sitting in US, Japan is all same, right? An engineering student studying in Stanford, an engineering student studying in Nepal, the information they have is same. Everybody has same access. Everybody has same set of neurons. Everybody's mind process runs in the same way. But what is the difference? How it is driving some people to become more successful is because of only one thing, my dear friends. Listen carefully, because they actually power the thoughts. They power the thoughts. You know, have you seen a guy called Picayo in Philippines? He's a boxer. Have any one of you seen such a guy called Picayo in he's Philippines based? I'm opening the chat box. Picayo, have you seen? Okay, he's a lean guy. Listen, he's a very lean guy. Search for him. He's a very lean guy, but he's a very, very, very powerful boxer. You know, very tall and very hefty boxers, right? He actually finishes them off, and he's one of the most, you know, kind of acclaimed and credentialed boxer in the world. He's you know, his biceps are very lean or very thin, right? And very big size boxers, he actually pulls them down onto the floor, you know, because his lean, you know, muscle has the power to punch and pull anybody down. You understand? So what I'm trying to say is, you know, once you kind of power your thought, right, with the same set of skills which you have, with the same abilities which you have, with same information we have, with what skills you have, you will be able to achieve more, realize more, get more, right, out of your particular, you know, activities. That's what is the central. Let me, you know, let me share some, you know, thoughts on how you could actually power your thoughts. Are you on the same page that are you on the same page with me on the aspect that we have to power thoughts? By powering our thoughts, we will be able to manifest our thoughts. We will be able to give shape to our thoughts, and thoughts would become reality. Let me tell you, my friends, one very important thing. No technique will help you. No trick will help you. No strategy will help you. Right? If strategies and tricks would help you, or the whole world would have been a happy place. We won't find any person who's unemployed, because there are tons and tons of motivational videos, right? And how to get a job videos on YouTube. All the people in this world would have been employed, right? If those suggestions would work. Okay, so those suggestions, those pointers will not work because we are not ready. Our thought framework is not ready. Unless our thought framework is ready, all those pointers are of no use. They are of no significance. They are of no, you know, imminence. They are of no use. That's why we see many people hearing many things, right? You know, unlike 10 years back, you have Tony Robbins, you have Les Brown, you have, you know, world's greatest speakers doing lots of videos on YouTube, and we all hear, but most of us, we remain where we are. Why? The techniques are same, the steps are same. For example, to get a job, they say, have a good CV, okay, have a proper CV, be genuine, be realistic, live every word. We do that, but why our CV is not getting shortlisted? Why our CV is not getting shortlisted is the question, right? So what I'm trying to say today, if you see, I'm not sharing my PPT. I'm not sharing my PPT. If I start sharing PPT, you will start taking pictures and you will properly safeguard that PPT and you will never open. You'll never open the PPT, isn't it? So that's why I'm trying to engage by talking to you directly, because I'm trying to enhance your thought. I'm trying to stretch your thought. I'm trying to give a flavor to your thought. I'm trying to give depth to your thought. I'm trying to give you, an additional, what do you call, feather to your thought, so that, the empowered thought, the stretched thought will come to your rescue, and all these tips and tricks you will invent. You will start inventing tips and tricks. Okay. So the central point till now, what we have discussed is one thing, that is thought. Okay. Can you all type thought in the chat box? Yeah, I'm opening the chat again. Great. So, remember, thoughts drive you. So if you power your thoughts, you would be able to, get to whatever you want more easily, more fluently, more comfortably. Let me quickly share, the power of brain as to how you could meddle and how you could help yourself.
Not so long ago, many scientists believed that the brain did not change after childhood, that it was hardwired and fixed by the time we became adults. But recent advances in only the last decade now tell us that this is
Listen
simply
to this
not
very, very
true.
carefully, my dear friend. This is the
brain
crux of this
can
session.
and does change throughout our lives. It is adaptable, like plastic. Hence, neuroscientists call this neuroplasticity. How does neuroplasticity work? If you think of your brain as a dynamic, connected power grid, there are
you able to
billions of
see this
pathways
clearly, my
or
friends,
roads
Lakshmendra?
lighting up every
Yes, sir.
time
Yes, sir.
you think, feel, or do something. Some of these roads are well-traveled. These are our habits, our established ways of thinking, feeling, and doing. Every time we think in a certain way, practice a particular task, or feel a specific emotion, we strengthen this road. It becomes easier for our brains to travel this pathway. Say we think about something differently, learn a new task, or choose a different emotion. We start carving out a new road. If we keep travelling that road, our brains begin to use this pathway more, and this new way of thinking, feeling, or doing becomes second nature. The old pathway gets used less and less and weakens. This process of rewiring your brain by forming new connections and weakening old ones is neuroplasticity in action. The good news is that we all have the ability to learn and change by rewiring our brains. If you have ever changed a bad habit or thought about something differently, you have carved a new pathway in your brain and experienced neuroplasticity firsthand. With repeated and directed attention towards your desired change, you can rewire your brain.
People, now the question is, I showed this short video to make you understand that we all have capability to meddle with our brain and then help it and then get into those patterns which most successful people actually thrive. You understand? So it's very much possible. So that is what is being referred to as neuroplasticity, right? Our neurons have capability to adopt. We often say, this is my habit. Oh, I cannot change. I cannot do. This is my limitation. Somebody has some capability. It's not possible for me. That's not my cup of tea. No, you can transition into anything. The only thing is, it might take more time for some people. It might take less time for some people. but the fact is you all can. Let me tell you the experiments which I have done, right, in my life. Let me tell you, I come from botany, zoology, chemistry background, and I transitioned into an IT professional, and I worked for world's top IT firms. Coming from botany, zoology, chemistry background, I bagged, I could get a job in world's best firms, and people from Harvard, Stanford worked under me in my team. I could direct them, being a botany, zoology, chemistry guy, because I believed that I can master, IT, and I could do. You understand? So that's why, with the conviction, I'm trying to say, if you believe that you can, right, your neurons will get ready, and then, if you accommodate, those building blocks which will actually meddle with the way you think, you will create new neural paths in the way which I have shown in the video just now, and you would get into that pattern. And I'm telling all of us, irrespective of age, irrespective of gender, we all are capable to turn around into fresh beings, new beings, renewed beings, better beings, advanced beings in just 60 days. Right now, I know still some of you might not accept my version, but I want you to, accept the logic that yes, we should believe that in 60 days we can turn around, right? And believe, with good intent. I want you all people to type in the chat box, right, to tell yourself that yes, I can turn around in 60 days, because that's the starting point. Because unless you trigger your mind with that particular statement, your neurons will not come to your rescue, and you won't create new neural paths in your mind. Okay, I want you all to type in the chat box, I can turn around 60 days. Because when you're typing that, your eyes are seeing, and you're typing with your fingers. So there is psychomotor action. You're actually acting on your neurons. You're telling your neurons that you can turn around in 30 to 60 days. So you're putting your neurons on the job. It means you're getting ready, and you're doing a great job today by typing that sentence, and that is bound to start, firing off. That's what is point one. Next. Now, yes, what is that thing with which we could actually keep the thoughts up and running is the next question. You might get a good thought, but often there is disappointment, often there is a lot of discouragement, and a lot of negativity around us. What is that we could do to help yourself? Remember this word, affirmation. I'm just typing in the chat box to everyone. Because of 825 people, the chat box is getting clogged, and I'm okay. No problem. I will ignore it. So coming back to the topic, I was talking about thought, and I was talking about neuroplasticity, right, which makes you think. And then we came to a stage where you all said yes, you could turn in 30 to 60 days. Okay, so we have in 50 minutes, 60 minutes, I could give you some important insights, and you could later spend time to help yourself. Okay, now let's get on to a few tips and tricks. Are you all ready for few tips and tricks? Because we are almost 50 minutes now, so that you would understand what is the important trick which would complement you when you're thought empowered. Clear, all of you? Can somebody can you all respond to me with some thumbs up or cheers in the chat box? I'll tell you 2 techniques now. Okay, guys. Now listen. the how you could help yourself is, normally we apply. I'm moving away from thought empowerment to actual tips and tricks. There are many, but I want to tell you just two tips and tricks today. One is, when you're seeking a job, you should understand that the person who is offering you a job should see the capability and potential within you. So for that person to see that potential within you, that you're a capable guy, what is that you could do the question? Okay, now today's world is thriving in in digital mode. Okay, so your presence is mandatory in LinkedIn. Once your presence is there in LinkedIn, with your activity on LinkedIn, you would fall in the eyes of all the key stakeholders across. When you fall in the eyes of all the key stakeholders, automatically you're paving way for you to help yourself. Okay, and then the recommendations in the LinkedIn will play a major role for you to get inward job responses. And I know this might not be resonating with your mindset, right? But if you build your LinkedIn profile in appropriate way, right, in a way which will make employer understand your skills, your capabilities, you would land up getting a inward offers within 30 to 60 days. Now you have to do research, and you have to open up, and you have to explore to find it how that is possible, because I wanted to give you that particular genre to you for you to explore. And coming to how you could earn money in 30 to 60 days, I'm opening this site for you now. I'm not selling anything here. This Fiverr which you're seeing, okay, is a platform where a lot of youngsters from across the world come here, and they, as students, as professionals, as senior professionals, they work here. Okay, and they get work from across the world. You won't be limited to the country where you are, but you'll get work from across. For example, here there are so many tracks here. It could be logo design, it could be gaming, it could be landscape design, it could be vector tracing, it could be flyer design, and it could be digital marketing. There are tons of areas, and all these things which are seeing in the screen, I'm telling you, you could master within 15 days. My dear young people, within 15 days, you can get mastery in these topics. And then you could register here in fiverr.com at no cost. And then you could start getting work from across the world, and you could do your work during evenings and weekends and holidays, and you could start making money. I work with people in Bangladesh, I work with people in Philippines, and I know few youngsters who are not even 21, they clock $6,000, $8,000, $10,000 per month. And in fact, I took inspiration from them. And during this particular lean phase of pandemic, when my business got slow, even I registered in this Fiverr, and I started getting some work from this Fiverr. So within 30 to 60 days, if you want a job, you need to dive into LinkedIn and then explore what all you could do, because there is a lot of guidance on how your LinkedIn profile should be, what all you should be doing on LinkedIn, and then you could land up within with inward job offers, provided you do that. So what is that you should do? I want you to explore, and you could always connect to me or any lion, right, whom you're seeing today, and you could get insights. Unless you do that exercise, all my insights won't work for you. So the first thing, as I said, you need to power your thoughts, and then you should exercise this properly on LinkedIn. Second thing is, no, in addition to job, yes, I want to become self-employed, I want to become an entrepreneur. Fiverr is the answer. Let me tell you, Fiverr is not my business. I don't have any stake in Fiverr, but Fiverr helped me make money, and Fiverr is helping crores of people from across the world make money. Any of the skill which you're seeing here, programming, tech, chatbots, within $100 you could learn how to make chatbots, web programming. Within 15 days, in $200 you could learn actually web programming. And mobile apps, probably in $300 you could learn how to make mobile apps and start catering yourself to people from across the world. Okay, and I will tell you how I get my work to inform you. So this is also regarding getting a job. Okay, I'm just stopping sharing the screen. Now, what I do, okay, assume for you to get a job, there are large companies, there are medium-sized companies, there are smaller companies. Okay, now obviously you won't get I mean a firm like Accenture or IBM or Deloitte might not give you a job as a fresher. Okay, so you should be very choosy to search for startups in Google, startups in my city. Once you find the startups in your city, you will get a list of startups. You will get probably 1,000 startups, 500 startups. Now take the list of those startups, okay, and then get onto the website, do some research, and find out, go to the LinkedIn, find out who is the CEO or who is the recruiting manager of that particular company, and do the research on the company, stating, look, gentlemen, look, CEO, look, director, your website lacks this, or this is what I could do free of cost for 2 months, free of cost for 1 month. And when they see that email from you stating, see, this is the research which I have done on your company, these are the following things which your company needs improvement, and this is what I could do free of cost, right? That CEO would most probably give you an opportunity. And let me tell you, in last 4 months, I've experimented this with probably 600 people, and let me tell you, almost 200 plus people got a job, because they went to employer stating, look, sir, I can do this free of cost. This is the skill which I have. You understand? Now, when you get the free opportunity, free working opportunity, okay, you would showcase your ability to that CEO as to what all difference you could make, and then subsequently that will lead to a job, paid job. Now, the same thing which I do for my firm, when my firm was budding firm, when I was competing with large organizations, right, and nobody used to give me work, I have shortlisted startups. I went to startups, I proposed startups, look, this is the work I could do for you at free of cost. Can you give me an opportunity? I emailed to 1,000 people, 300 people responded, 100 became my clients. My billing went up to, kind of 7 to 8 lakhs per month, just within 2 months. No references, no begging, no borrowing, no imagination, no foolishness. It's all practical. As an employer, as an entrepreneur, write a thorough, compelling, a convincing email to employer stating, this is what I could do for you, and he should see the promise, the employer should see the promise, and then you will get the opportunity. As an employee, look, these are my skills, this is what I've done in my internship, this is what I have done as an apprenticeship, can you give me an opportunity? You write to 1,000 people, you will get the opportunity. You will get the opportunity. Are you seeing some common sense, my dear friends, in this? Are you seeing some sense in what I'm trying to say? Can you respond in the chat box, please? Are you seeing that? Okay, cool. So, my dear friends, 30 to 60 days. I'm trying to open this chat box up. Okay, yeah. So, I'm just sharing the screen again. For any necessities which you have with respect to your the system is clogging a bit. I'm trying to sort this out. Yeah. I wanted to discuss, I skipped everything. So I'm just going to the point. So this is, where I could be contacted. Okay. And you could just search Vishwanath. And also we are creating 2, WhatsApp groups. And because in 60 minutes, in 1 hour, we cannot actually translate all the value, and we cannot pass on all the value, right? We thought let's give you some insights about thought empowerment and two techniques about getting a job and getting into earning within 30 to 60 days, and we have passed on, and you could get further insight by part of the WhatsApp groups. And Vajrang, you could actually share those links in the WhatsApp group, and I mean those groups will be of absolute value, my dear young people. They won't be of spam and scam, where we'll be wasting our time. So I would appreciate few questions now, and then we would be closing this maybe in 5 to 7 minutes. We will take few questions, and I would like to representatives from Nepal, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh to ask questions, please. Go ahead, asking questions. Yeah.
Sir, we have shared the WhatsApp link. The participants can join in that group.
To get further insights, because we have to be in constant touch for us to get insights and for us to kind of get nurtured and groomed, right? Everything can't happen within 30 to 50 minutes, isn't it? So learning is a continuous journey, and that's where we could be in touch. And I would appreciate few questions, please. Few questions.
People, please start putting questions in chat box so our co-host can take it to the Viswanathan sir. So be quick.
And also all the people, for you to get your e-certificates, Vajrang will post that link, and you could share your feedback there, and then you would get your e-certificate email to your email inbox directly. I'm unable to see that, Vajrang.
Yeah, he already posted WhatsApp group link.
No, the feedback and certificate link.
Yeah, that will be posted after 2-3 minutes.
Okay, cool. I mean, let's post it, Vajrang. Let's post it, and
Yeah.
we can have questions. Questions,
Yes,
please.
done,
I would
done.
love questions. While people ask questions, I would like to summarize today's session. One is thought. Thought is central. Empower your thoughts. Second thing is, yes, you could actually meddle with your brain and get into create new neural paths with which you will be able to get into that mode where you will be more successful. Third thing is, you should have that belief that yes, you would be able to turn around within 30 to 60 days. And after these three things, I told you about two things, two techniques. One technique for job seekers, one technique for people who want to earn money. To get a job, don't post in Naukri, don't post in Monster. Approach 100 employers with your CV and tell them what you could do. And your letter, your covering letter should make them stand with the kind of pitch you write in that. And for you to write that, you need to do some research on that company. And then when you do the thorough research, that CEO will see the value in you, will see the promise in you, and he will call you. We already experimented this and helped 300 people across the world get into jobs. And if you want to earn money as a student, yes, evenings and weekends, you can earn money, get into Fiverr, see which skill you want to learn any skill in Udemy. In $100, $200, you could learn. And within 1 month, you can get into Fiverr and start making $100, $200. And already I've shared my contact details for any question, for any insight, for any help, for any suggestion, for anything. Please approach me. I would be glad to respond to you. I would glad to share information with you as to where you could learn, how you could learn. And I would really feel glad if you could type in the chat box telling, yes, I am ready to earn money within 30 to 60 days. I feel, I can earn. Can anybody see that confidence? I would love to see. I would love to see. Good. Veeranna, Chaitanya, Niranjan, Divya, Raja, Niharika. Right? Please, and also one more minute, my dear young friends. Please hang on. Please hang on. I'm searching for one link. Please wait. Your feedback is also appreciated at this link, right? People, I've put up a link here. I have put up a link here. Vajrang, can you post this link which I'm sharing? I'm unable to get to that particular. This is hanging now with a lot of activity.
Just do one thing, sir. Close the chat box and let Vajrang post the link again, because so many messages are flooded, so people will be having a difficulty to trace it.
Yeah, 1 second.
Yes, sir, I have closed.
You have closed, right? Now I am posting something to you. Where I should post? Yeah. So yeah, people, while we wait this, regarding earning money, yes, something has been shared. Regarding getting a job, something has been shared, isn't it? So any questions? I would appreciate if you could ask, please.
Lion Nidhi Nagar, ma'am.
Nidhi ma'am.
Lion Vishnu Kumar also is available.
By meantime, I will take one question from Rao.
Go ahead.
Yeah, please.
Go ahead. Go ahead, people.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, question from Rahul. I'm an intern with hands-on experience. How can I create a process for myself to get a job? And how can I create financial assistance to my family?
Can you repeat the question, please?
Wait, yes, sir. Question from Rahul. I am an intern with hands-on experience. How can I create a process for myself to get a job? How can I create financial assistance to my family?
See, I told two things, my dear people, right? To get a job and to get into earning, Upwork and Fiverr is the place. Go there, see what skill suits you, resonates with you, and then learn the skill within 15 days. And within a month, you will start earning, right? You'll start with probably $50, and then 100, and then 200, and then 300, and you'll be getting work from across the world without website, without begging, without marketing. Work will start flowing to you. Okay, that's how you could complement financially. Coming to job, as told, I'm repeating all the people in this group. Top-notch firms will not give you job instantly. Mid-size firms will not give you job. Startups are our target. So search for startups in your city and then shortlist them. Go on to LinkedIn, find the CEO and recruiting manager email IDs, and then make them a list. Go to the website and study the company and see where you can add value, how you could help with your skill. It could be marketing or finance or HR or IT. And then write a compelling email, write a compelling letter, covering letter, and then email to them, and also leave a message at LinkedIn. And then if you do that to 100 people, you are bound to get at least 10 to 15 responses. And that depends on, if you write, sir, I want a job, nobody will give you a job. If you post a CV, sir, I want a job, nobody will care. I got 80%, I played badminton in school, nobody will get. So your CV covering letter should cite, yes, this is what I have learned in my engineering or MBA. This is how I could add value to your firm within 30 to 60 days. Please give me an opportunity. I would be ready to work for 30 days or 60 days. That's where you'd make difference to them, and then you'll be able to get a job offer. And this is working, my dear friends, because there are lakhs of CVs in Monster, and people do not have time to get it each and every CV, because one CV takes 4 or 5 minutes to read it. It takes a lot of time for you to go into that and study and shortlist and present. So LinkedIn is a way where you could hit people directly and you'll get shortlisted. And I have already shared my details. If you get stuck, please approach me and I could help you. Clear? Hope it answered the question, Rupesh. Lion Rupesh.
Yes. And I think so. Most probably, the all questions are alike, and you had explained so nicely. The people are demanding that there should be reorganized such kind of a program. Saif Ali Khan is requesting. So I think so. Almost all questions are covered. If anybody else, we will wait for a few seconds and you can put it in a chat box if you can. Thank you, Vishwanath sir.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Rupesh. So before leaving, I would like to reiterate, can all the people in the chat box type in the chat box? Yes, I am
One
ready
more
for,
question.
I'm ready to scale up. Can you all type in the chat box? Yes, I'm ready to scale up. Yes, I am ready to scale up. Please type in the chat box, because when you're typing in the chat box, you're telling to your brain in a very strong way that you are making commitment to help yourself. That will actually power you, spark you off. Please type in the chat box. I am ready to, scale up.
Yes,
Sir,
getting it.
2 questions are there. Shall I ask?
Please ask. Fantastic, my dear people. Whoever is typing, I'm ready to scale up. Let me tell you, you are making difference to yourself. You will start seeing difference. And as told, please get into the chat box, chat groups, and then let's be in touch there to help ourselves, isn't it? Yeah, Lakshmendra ji, पूछिए question. Go ahead, Lakshmendra, Lion Lakshmendra.
Can you tell how to be confident while giving interview?
Okay, it's a very good question. People, understand one thing. We go to a movie and then we watch the movie happily. We tell the complete story to our friends. What happened step by step, which trousers hero wore and heroine wore, what happened in the sequence, we tell very properly to all our friends. But when it comes to any subject, we don't feel that. Whenever we go to interview, we feel that we lack something and we feel little bit anxious and stressful. Now many people ask me, what is that I should do to be confident, right? I'm telling you, to all the people, I'm being brutally frank with all of you to tell one thing, that if you are not confident in interview, it means you're not fit for the interview. I'm sorry, I'm being very frank because I want to help you. Right? So if you are expected to know something from a book, right, you have to know something from that book, and once you know, you will feel confident. If you don't do your homework properly, you're reading properly, your confidence is a myth, your confidence is a joke, your confidence is foolishness. It will never be a truth. You need to burn midnight oil, you need to toil, you need to do everything for you to learn. There could be 50 topics in this particular book which you have to master. At least you should be thorough with 30 topics. And then when you go to the interview, you should go as if you're going for a conversation with a friend. Come on, panel, ask me questions. And they ask a question. You say, look, I don't know the answer. You should be able to tell that I don't know the answer very confidently, as if you're talking to a friend. When can you say that? When you know something's powerful. Then the question would be, look, gentlemen, you have come to an interview. You cannot say you don't know. Then they ask what you know. You tell, I know this, I know this, I know this, I know this, I know this. Then they'll ask a question, and every ball you'll hit like a sixer, like Rishabh Pant. You understand? So, my dear friends, confidence is not something which you can, get with some technique. No, confidence comes with practice. Confidence comes with finesse. Confidence comes with hard work. Confidence comes with, mastery. You need to get. There is no shortcut to it. There is no shortcut to it. Even the positive thinking which people think, I want to be positive. Bloody hell, you cannot be positive if you don't prepare and go to any client interview. You cannot be confident. You cannot act confidence. People say, look into the eyes, give firm shake hand. It's not possible. If you know what you know, then you will be able to look into the eyes of the panel and then talk very, 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 very properly. And then you can actually make those people in the interview panel silent with the confidence. That only happens when you have mastery. It's mandatory. There is no solution to it. Hope it made some sense, Lakshmendra ji.
So there is a question.
Go ahead, madam. Ask, please.
So there is a question from a participant that he has studied a BSc degree and he's currently pursuing MBA. So he is worried about his qualification and he wants to know what skills he can take up further.
Let me tell you what is his name, please. His name. What is his name, madam? What is his name, madam? Okay, let me go ahead. So, dear all in this meeting, qualifications are only gateways for you to get your CV shortlisted. That's it, nothing more. Qualifications and certifications are only gateways for your CV to get shortlisted. If you have capability, except in government jobs, in any private job across the world, they don't care your qualification, whether it could be graduation, post-graduation, PhD, nonsense. Nobody cares your qualification. However, we pursue qualifications and we get good grades, no doubt about it. But what matters is your skill and translatable skill, your ability to make a difference to the employer in the domain, in the area which you want to operate. That is the skill which you have to master. And as told, each of you, please be reminded, you are just 60 days away from the mastery. 60 days, 8 hours per day into 60, 480 hours. If you spend 500 hours, you will get mastery, and you will be able to talk with anybody confidently and fluently, and you will be able to impress upon them, and you will be able to get the job offer. It's not now. People have complaints. I have been waiting since 2 years for a job. Believe me, they are fooling around unknowingly. They're fooling around unknowingly, right? Within 60 days, you can turn around. And if you want, right, I've been sharing, right, these things of, in the chat box. You can always get in touch with me, and at my site and at my page, you would be able to see how people are making difference to themselves. And there is no magic, right? It's all practical science. You have seen my profile, right? I was a donkey, right? I was none, and today I'm able to do a lot of things in several countries, right? Yeah.
So there is another question by line Madhavi Kankamadi. She needs to know about affiliate marketing.
Okay. Now, affiliate marketing is actually a deeper topic, right? Because I was talking about self-employment, right? Self-employment is whatever you could do as a non-employed person, as a freelancer. Okay. Affiliate marketing is one track where without your product, without your copyrights, you could actually sell other people's, other companies' product and service and make money. Okay. There are tons of insights. Madhavi, don't worry about how to do affiliate marketing. Most important thing is your belief that you can do something within next 30 days. That's what is the key question. If you tell yourself, and you fix the deadline and then start off, you will be able to learn and master affiliate marketing and start making money. Success, Akila Metu, success ebook will be emailed to your email ID by end of the day today.
I think we shall wind up with the question and answer session now.
Yeah, yes, please.
Or should we? Okay, sir. So I hand it over to Leo Arpita Mo for her observations regarding the sessions.
Sure.
So that hand over to Leo Arpita.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for this amazing session. I read once that a mind stretched by a new idea can never return to its original dimensions. And this is exactly what you've done for us today. I'm so sure everybody has enjoyed the session as much as I have. And I'm very sure that most of them present here today will get a job or start earning in the next 60 days. Starting right since the power of thought, since how you can first hardwire yourself to ensure that you are thinking in the right framework, and then moving on to what steps you can realistically take to do so. I just have no words about how well the session went, and thank you so much for the amazing insights. Like, it was so on point that you even gave us the ID, LinkedIn, and Fiverr. to work on with. So it is just, I'm so sure everybody here has gained so much today, and our minds have been stretched, and they will continue to do. And I present the public and say about this, because I'm sure everybody wanted to put their thought and thank all the organizers and especially you, sir, for the session. Thank you so much.
And also to all the people who joined the WhatsApp group, right? Let me inform that we are planning a deeper CV session. It will be free again, right? We want to add value. As Lions, we want to add value to co-humans, right? We are planning today it was an overview as to how to power yourself and which direction you have to move ahead. But in those 2-hour sessions, which are planning probably subsequently in 2 weeks, you will be getting deeper insights on how your CV, how you should craft your CV, how you should craft your covering letter, and how you should reach out to 100 people around you. And I would give you handheld support for you to get the job. I would catch hold of your hand and then support you till you get a job, right? Please be part of the WhatsApp group, and then we would see success stories, right? Because I believe I helped myself, right? And I know I have my own little deficiencies and development needs, but at large, life has been smooth and going well. So thank you for these observations, right? Yeah. Arpita, thank you, Leo. Yeah, Arpita. Yeah, anything more? I think vote of thanks.
Sir,
Yeah.
if any questions are there, they will be posted in the WhatsApp. From there, you can answer because it's 12:28.
Sure.
So, vote of thanks by Lion Shubham Agarwal. Before that, I would like to invite any of our Lion dignitaries. I think some international dignitaries are present here. If they wish to present anything, I welcome wholeheartedly on to this international webinar.
Now, Lakshmendra, I would request one thing. The many students who attended, probably any 1 or 2 students who want, we could actually give them video window, and then they could speak. We will understand what they probably understood or how it helped them. Would it make sense? 1 or 2.
We can see a few hands being raised.
Yeah, we could. Anybody, we could give a window of opportunity to 1 or 2 people.
Student,
Yes,
can you raise your hand so we can unmute you? Any of the students want to give the review or discuss something about the session? Please raise your hand, virtual hand, so we can make you out.
Sonam Tamang.
Let's mute all and then we'll go ahead with the probably none is ready. We'll go ahead with the Lion Shubham.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go ahead, please.
Are you going for questions or any platform for any other participants?
Vote of thanks.
Vote of thanks. Thank you very much. A warm and cherished good afternoon to all our Lion dignitaries, Leo leaders and observers from the holy land of Gautam Buddha and Mount Everest. I am Leo Lion Dr. Shubham Kumar Agrawal, President of Lions Club of Dharan Gopal United, District 325A1, Multiple District 325, Nepal. It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of all those who contributed hard to make this session a grand success. On behalf of our organizing team, first of all, my sincere thanks to our speaker, Lion Vishwanath sir, whose thoughts have enlightened everyone and shown us a new path. Today, we had the opportunity to hear your ideas and get motivated, and this will definitely encourage us and everyone in future events. On behalf of our organizing team, I give a really heartfelt vote of thanks to our chief guest, Lion Manoj Kumar Purohit sir, District Governor 320A, and guest of honor, Lion Indra Kaushal Rajapaksa sir, District Governor elect 306B2, who spent their busiest time gracing the occasion. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. This type of incident cannot happen overnight. The wheels started moving around 3 weeks ago when I received a call from Lion Lakshmendra ji for the event, and others to receive calls from him. It required planning and bird's eye for details. A special mention to our host Lion Lakshmendra ji for concept and being the catalyst that inspired us to do our best. With deep sense of appreciation, we thank you for your untiring efforts. We thank you for your untiring efforts. We have been fortunate to be supported by a very active and dedicated team, including Lion Mridula Jaiswal ji, Lion Vishnu Kuwar ji, Lion Rupesh Mehta ji, Lion Pyumi Parera ji, Lion Nidhi Nagar ji, and Leo Arpita More ji. I would like to thank all these rock stars, I preferably call them rock stars, who made this event success with their untiring efforts. I also want to thank all the people who worked behind the scene to execute this event, especially Lion Haridarshan Salike, Master Bajrang, and Sauri Kokunda. Thanks to all the participants for attending the occasion today. I lack words to appreciate your willingness to participate beyond your comfort zone. Last but not the least, I would like to thank Almighty God for making today's event a grand success. By blessings and grace, we are able to make this event what it was. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Over to you, Lion Lakshmendra ji.
Thank you very much, Lion Shubham ji. And I am very much happy for the successful of this program. And I once again thank all my co-hosts, my Lion friends, Leo friends, and the dignitaries from all over the countries, from different parts of the countries who are present here right now. Still they are in our webinar. I thank them from the bottom of my heart. And I thank Lion Vishwanath Kokanda sir for organizing such a wonderful meeting. And I thank Rupesh Mehta ji, Mridula Jaiswal ji, Nidhi Nagar ji, and Shubham Agarwal, Vishnu Kumar ji, and Arpita More ji. Thank you all. Thank you, Vishwanath sir. It's over to you.
While we're on, can we all ask people to put their videos on for a while? Let's see the happy faces, you know. I propose everybody to put their videos on once.
Yeah.
Yeah, congratulations, Vishwanath sir, as well as Lakshmendra bro, and all of us.
Amazing, amazing job done. Let's all put our videos on once. Let's all put our videos on. Let's capture these, you know, wonderful moments, please.
So nice. 500 plus people are still present. That's great.
Yeah. Yes, absolutely. Cool. Fine. Yeah, I think some people are not comfortable, but anyway, it was a great Sunday. Absolutely fantastic Sunday. We all had amazing time. Thank you, all of you. Let's catch up a bit later again. Bye.
The same video will be available on YouTube also. You guys can refer your friends. Those who missed out, you can rewatch it and can utilize it more and more. Thanks to Vishwanath sir for that also, for YouTube Live.
Bye. We are closing this. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you everyone.
Congratulations, Lakshmendra ji.
Thank you,
Vishwanath ji.
Thank you very much
for the concept. It was really a huge success.
Yeah. Yes. And incidentally, dear Lions, we have Lion Harvinder Virji from our RCLC, you know, from Red Bridge Lions Club here. You know, he's a senior most Lion and he is an amazing service guy. He's here, you know, Lion Harvinder Virdi.
Harvinder sir, hello. VSRK Prasad, I can see you.
You could unmute. Harvinder ji, you could unmute, please.
Yeah, we can unmute everyone. Yes, it's casual. Burgu Lingaya sir, namaste. Dr. Triloki Mishra ji.
Yeah, now Harvinder ji is on. Harvinder ji.
Hello, good morning, everybody. I think it's an excellent idea and excellent help for all the young people that you're doing. It's really heartening to know that you're helping people around the world, especially where the youngsters need it. I'm retired, so I don't need it anymore, but it was very interesting to see what you've done for everybody. Thank you very much. Nice to see all the faces from around our nation.
Thank you, Harvinder ji. Thank you so much. He's so inspiring, Lion.
Mahendra Reddy sir, namaste.
Namaste.
So,
And